Assalamu alaikum. Greeting from Daffodil International University. My name is Shahjat Hussain. My student ID is 232260002. I am excited to share my journey as a law student. I am currently pursuing my LLB at Daffodil International University, one of the leading private university in Bangladesh. My current CGPA is 3.17 out of 4. I come from Tangail, a beautiful district in Bangladesh. I have completed my secondary school certificate from Gopaldigi KP Union High School in 2017 with GPA 5 out of 5. I have completed my higher secondary certificate from Major General Mahmudul Hasan Adorsho College, Tangail in 2020 with GPA 5 out of 5. At Daffodil International University, I am actively and dedicatedly involved in different academics and co-curriculum activities. I am a proud member of the Moot Court Club, where I participate in legal arguments and case presentation, which help me to improve my reasoning and confidence. I improve my communication through practicing in moot court session. I am a proud member of the voluntary service projects that improvement my teamwork, communication and leadership abilities. In addition, I belong to the Change Together Club, a platform dedicated to positive social and cultural change. I have learned Law of Crime, Transfer of Property Act 1882, Specific Relief Act 1877, Constitutional Law of Bangladesh, Constitutional Law of UK, USA, India, Muslim law, jurisprudence, public international law, company law, law of evidence, Hindu law and many more international laws. In my leisure time, I enjoy traveling and playing. Traveling helps me to explore new cultures and ideas. I was very much passionate in LLB. Studying law has given me a new perspective on justice, ethics and responsibility in society. After completing my graduation, I would like to be an advocate and try to contribute in the legal fields of Bangladesh. As a law student, my dream is to become a dedicated and ethical legal professional who contributes to ensuring justice. I want to use my knowledge of law to help people understand their rights and responsibilities. I want to hold a position in responsibility. I am truly proud to be a Daffodilian and I am grateful for all the opportunities that university provides me. That's all about me. Thank you for watching my video resume.